Hey people, good morning everyone. Myself Rahul. I am a Python enthusiast and Python developer too. I am learning Python since 2 years with the help of internet. And finally, today I have started my Python execution part 1. Usually, in my childhood days, I used to play the Hangman game a lot. And today, I wanted to design my own Hangman game using Python. So, let's move forward and have a look at the code. This is the code for Hangman game in Python, and let us have the deeper understanding with the code. In the first line, I have imported the random function. Here, random is a library that we use it to choose a random word from a list of words. And here, I have created a list called words. Here, in this words list, I am having some strings. And here, for every time you run this program, you will be generated a random word from this list of words. And for every word that was generated, you need to guess the word. You will be having 5 turns, and in those 5 turns, you need to guess the word which was generated. And for every turn, if the turns are greater than 0, then the failed variable count is still 0. And for every character in the word, for every turn, you need to enter a character. And for every character in word, that means if you enter a character, if that character is there in the word which was generated by the system, then you are guessed the correct character and you will be asked to enter the next character in the same turn. Or else, if you fail to enter the correct character in the turn, then the count of the failed variable will be increased to 1. And finally, in these 5 turns, if you have guessed the character correctly, then you will be printing some message like congratulations and the name which you have entered in the execution part, and let's say the name as Rahul. Congratulations, Rahul, you won. Or if you fail to guess the character correctly, and then it will show you some wrong message, and it will show you some message like you still have the remain number of turns more guesses. And you finally, if you fail to guess the character correctly, you will be lost the game. And there will be a message printed like, oh, the name, let's say Rahul. Oh, Rahul, you have lost the game. Let's give another try. That's it, friends, for the code, and let us move forward and run the code. Here, it was asking me to enter my name. Okay, the system was generated a word for me from the list of words, and let us give a try by entering the first character as R. See, the character R was not there in the list, the was not there in the word which was generated by the system. So it was showing me the message is wrong, and it was showing me you still have 4 more guesses. So I need to guess the character in this. I need to guess the word in this remaining 4 turns. Let us say the next character as E. See, the character E was there in the word. So it was showing us the first character as E and the remaining characters as underscores. So let us enter the next character as T. Let us enter the next character as T. Hope it works. Yes. The next character T was there in the word for 2 times. So our word having the character E and T. See here, the character T was entered by us. So, and this character T was exist in the word. So, our number of turns are 4 only. So, let us give a try as, let us say the next character as Z. See, the character Z was not there in this word, and it was showing us the wrong message, and it was showing us you still have 3 more guesses. So let us guess the next character as N. It works. And next character as S. And I think this word as enthusiastic. Let us say the next character as ENTHUSIASTS. That's it, friends. The word that was generated by the computer for me is enthusiastic, and finally, I have guessed this word using two turns, and finally, I have guessed the word, so it was showing that congratulations, Rahul, you won, and the word is enthusiastic. That's it, friends. I will be back with my Python execution part 2. Until then, bye bye.